There's a wiper. That's a wiper. Oh God. That's a stud. That's gonna be over 7. That's 8.
That's an 8?
I think that's close. That's 8. I think mine down there is a 6. So hold on, we're gonna get some photos. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of 50/50 Fishing. I'm actually shooting this after the fact. I actually just got back from Buffalo, New York, where I was doing some smallmouth fishing. You're probably not gonna see those videos for at least 3 weeks, maybe more. Still getting caught up on all the striper vids, which is what this video is. You guys saw that I've been on an insane hybrid striper bite, and this video is more of the same. Actually head out pretty much before dawn. It's still dark when we go out there, and pretty much instantly start getting on fish. But I am not gonna waste any more time. We're gonna jump right into the video. Stay tuned. Big. I don't know, probably not. I mean, you can, but it was a pain in the ass. There he is. Oh shit, it's a big one. God, man, this one might be really big. Where is she? You see her down there? This one might be really big, dude. Look at this shit. I can't get her up. No. You sure she's not like, oh, she's already on the surface, that's why. Right there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, see it. Oh.
It's a big one. I'm like right there by the net, dude.
Huh?
I'm right there by the net.
I know. I got you. Alright, see the string? Pull it straight back to me. Straight back towards me. Good. Keep going. Keep going. You're in.
I think it's a pretty big one, dude.
Oh, I didn't even net it. It just hung up on the strings.
Yeah, that happens a lot. It's a hog. God, look at that thing. Dude, that's a beast.
Here it is.
That's 3D8 rig. That's over 6.
Two off today.
Holy shit. Stud.
Stutter.
Yeah, that's over 6 for sure. Guess we could scale her, but. Yeah, that one might have been pushing 7. We probably should have scaled it. Here, I'll get that, man. Good fish. This one's not that big.
Thinking about that?
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh no, it's your
It's so bad for my reel.
Oh?
Yeah, it's a bad idea. I already got it off the ground though. I don't know what to do. I'm worried I'm gonna trash my reel.
Where's this hang out for a second?
Where you at? Just drop her down.
Drop her down.
Oh, okay, I'm just bring her up to it. Yeah, I was worried. I could feel my reel just gonna trash. That's like a 4-pound fish.
Hey Rick, you take it, dude.
Just gotta let it sink. You can tie. I mean, you can tie 2 jigs up. You know what I mean?
Sorry.
Cool.
Got a handle?
Yeah, I got him. Damn, he took my swim bait. Bastard took my swim bait. Flitty. Whew. Come Mark. They're in there, but it's not like yesterday. Or it's just starting. It's hooked all crazy. Oh my god, what in the hell? That's gonna be a tangled mess. Yeah, I don't want to trash my reel though. Thank you. Go get you one, man. Not bad. This one might be big. It's a pretty good one. It's not huge, it's good. God. Literally, as soon as I turn the camera off, I get one. It's actually a pretty big one. Ooh, don't do that, buddy. Shit. It's a tall, I didn't think it was that big. Another 6-pounder. Might want to scale him. Oh, he inhaled it.
That's better. 5'10".
5'10"? I figured he was about 6.
That's your buddy?
Yeah, yep. Ah, maybe they just look smaller in bass. 23? Really? Yeah, it's a 6-pounder. I guess it's equivalent. Wait, bro. You got 2 over 6 already. Nick. Doubles. I think this might be 2.
I just threw him. Take him on later. Yeah, so I just sold one. So.
Shit.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah. This one's big too. He's going clear that way. Shit. Yeah. Am I over?
Under me?
I don't know. No.
I can't see it. Okay. Yeah.
There's somebody else's. Oh shit! I got their line. Shit. Hey Mark, I might need you to go around. I'm on their line down there. I'm on their line down there. I need you to go around.
Hey, I got you.
You sure?
Yeah. You want it or you want me to let it go?
I'll come down to it.
Oh, you're on that line.
Yeah, that was the problem.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man. I'll be down. That's a stud. That's gonna be over 7. That's 8. I think that's close. That's 8. I think mine down there is a 6. So hold on, we're gonna get some photos.
You need pliers or something. It's okay to die socket.
I got some up there. I'll bring it up. Just let him go up there. He's got a monster up there.
I still can't get that wire or the other line up. Yeah, I seen he's got a big one on there. Is he gonna give it the net or is he gonna bring it around?
He's got it. Only brought it around because it grabbed their line.
Yeah.
I'll get it, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
This is almost out.
Sorry, man. It just dogged hard that way. Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
I don't know how you don't get 9 million snags with these umbrella things.
It's not it's not bad. You can kind of just sit them in a current.
Yeah.
And they'll just kind of chill.
Yeah.
But if it gets around a line like that, it's definitely a cluster.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, man. I just let mine go because it was taking forever. That's a stud. Yeah, I knew that was bigger than that 7.6. That is a freaking stud, dude. Hell yeah, man. It's huge. Oh yeah, I was close. That looked like an 8.
Yeah.
Walter. Where the big Walters?
I'm up in my guy's fridge.
Yeah. You could eat him if it was legal. He's probably 16. Gotta be 18. Wally? Dog dog? Get a little education real quick.
Difference.
Alright guys, check it out. Got High River walleye next to a High River sauger. A lot of people have trouble telling the difference, which they're very similar. Walleye are usually a little more gold. Sauger, I like to say, kind of like a camo pattern, a little browner. They always have the spots on the fins. And then walleye always have that tail right there, the white, which sauger actually has a little bit of white. That's not normal.
Yeah.
But yeah, pretty cool. Closely related. Both really delicious. Cool. There's a wiper. That's a wiper. Oh God. Jesus, man. When they hit in that current, it's insane. God. Not even that big. I don't want to trash my reel. I tried with one earlier like that. I just felt like my reel, I don't know, man. It's, you know, a $200 reel. Just rather not. It's all tangled up. Yeah, he wasn't very big. I probably could have got away with him.
Oh man.
Oh yeah. Little guy. That's over 7.
6 or 7.
Yeah, you gonna.
I'm not even gonna get it.
You don't think?
I'll get it.
Dude, that's 7 all day or more.
What he said 4? He said 4 or 5 pounds.
That's what my dad said. Yeah.
Come on, Dad. He's old. Come on.
Yeah, I might, dude.
What's your guys' channel? I'll look it up.
Mine's 50-50 fishing.
50-50 fishing.
6'6"?
6'6".
I said 7 first. That's a hog.
6'6".
Probably 26.5 inches.
Pretty close, I'd say. Yeah. All right, man. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it. Yep.
Tell me, go down there and tell me it's 12.
Thing was 50 pounds.
Yeah. I'll take it. Little smallie. Just sitting there jigging for 20 minutes straight. Hell yeah. Look, bud. I hit that so weird, man. Like my line was like, where is it?
Paddlefish.
Oh, it's another hybrid.
Big white bass.
Is it?
Yeah. And you got line.
Send it.
Oh, it's a Jesus. Big ass white bass. Bigger. It's probably a hybrid again finally. Probably a hybrid.
He said big.
Oh, it's not bad. Long.
Ain't no giant.
A little guy. Hopefully they're turning back on, man. It's been a while since we caught a hybrid. Probably about an hour. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That one slammed it, man.
Pretty good at that.
God, on the fall.
Really?
I think they're moving back in. One's got some weight to her. Oh, what the hell? Oh, God. Look at that shit.
a good one.
It is a good one, but it's like just towing in a freaking bag, man.
Fish with a blue, you see that?
Yeah, you see that?
What's that?
Freaking blue.
Yeah. It's a pretty big one, actually. No, but it's actually, this is harder this way, actually.
Way harder.
Drop that net down. Oh, God.
Did he just bit it?
No, he's still on.
Or he straightened himself out and unhooked himself.
He's got pissed, dude.
Huh?
Yeah, he straightened himself out and took off. Ready?
I'm ready for it, big guy.
He's got blue fins, man. Shit. Woo. Got him. Sort of.
He's not even into that. I just caught the A-rig.
Yeah. Hate that. I hate it when that happens, but it's not bad.
He does. His fins are blue, dude.
Yeah, dude, look at the color of this guy's fins. They're blue. That's beautiful. How blue they are. Nick, look at that. Look how blue those are.
Oh. What?
That's crazy, ain't it?
I've never seen them that blue.
I mean, they're like blue.
Let me take a picture.
Go ahead.
That's awesome.
That's insane. Look how blue that is.
That is awesome. That's the
Even
prettiest fish
up
I've
here?
ever seen.
Look at that. It's got blue up here too, and the blue right there and here.
Take a little, yeah, back up a little bit. It's gonna flop.
Really hope you enjoyed this video. I got some more hybrid striper videos coming at you and some more dam vids coming at you. The Ohio River is an amazing fishery. I've said it before, one of the most underrated fisheries in the world, and it is right by my house. I sometimes take it for granted how good of a fishery it actually is. But that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.